Welcome to A Day in My Life as a Teacher Campaign Edition. Here's Ma'am Via. Sinabihan ko siya na video. Akala niya picture. The event started with preliminaries and opening remarks by Ma'am Marian and me.
Let's welcome Nana Bay. Got our hands down. Active. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Marian. Good morning, Secretariat!
My task here is to introduce the new strengthened senior high school curriculum, and then I was followed by Ma'am Jari na may mga games. You have to follow the picture and I tried to follow it, and then bagay kasi yun yung uso sa era ko. Kaya of course, bagay na bagay sa akin kasi era ko yun eh. At this portion, si Sir Chad, in-introduce niya naman kung ano talaga ang roles ng mga humanities students natin. Of course, they are the frontliners, the ones that understands the society and the culture. I forgot to take a video kay Sir Alexis, so let's proceed with Sir Mark. He started his presentation kung ano ba talaga ang kailangan ng mga companies na ito. And of course, the answer is skills. And nakukuha daw natin yun siya sa Tech Pro at saka sa TVL. And it was followed by Sir Kevin, who presented our activities sa senior high school that makes your good holy experience. At this moment, uhaw na talaga ako, kaya uminom na ako ng soda float from Jollibee. And I'm so hungry na I forgot to take a video na kumakain ako ng Jollibee spaghetti. Of course, natapos yung event, restoration tayo, na may kaunting chika.
Hi everyone! So that's it for our campaign for the senior high school curriculum. So I was tasked to introduce the SSHS, which is the Strengthened Senior High School Curriculum. So that's the new curriculum for the grade 11 and grade 12. And it was a success. It was done. And the kids are out. They're not here anymore. And I think that's Ma'am Marian. We'll see. It's Ma'am Marian. Hi, Ma'am Marian!
And that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Love ya!